Don't confuse the Arizona woodpecker with the Strickland's woodpecker. I challenge you to look them both up and see if you can identify their differences. You can find the Arizona woodpecker in guess which place? Maine. I'm just kidding. You'll find it in Arizona. But they're hard to spot because they're very quiet, and they're unique among woodpeckers because they don't dig into dead wood to find their yummy insect meals. If you're a lover of woodpeckers or of Arizona, you can find cool woodpecker merch at birdwatchingacademy.com. Happy birding.